Who cheats more, man or woman?
Woman.
Why?
Cause them never want to win.
Yeah, peeps, you don't know your boy Buhn. And today we're in a half a tree with the first episode of the Rotted Questions. And today we are going to ask one question. People always struggle with that question. Who cheats more, man or woman? We are going to find out in our streets today. Follow me now. First thing, my general, give me a name.
Ken. Tamara.
I'm Jeffrey.
Amanda.
That's the Ras, man.
Just Ras, alright then, Ras.
Hey, Rasta, man, it's over there.
Wait.
Fix it. Alright.
Abigail. Ashanti. Ariel.
David.
Yo, you know, I felt in the street.
Nick.
Richard. Fabulous.
Joan.
The question is, who cheats more, man or woman?
Woman.
What make you say woman now?
You know, say, the logic side a woman still.
Woman.
Why?
Wait. Man cheat more. Woman cheat worse. Alright, let me explain. So when a man cheat, it's not as bad as when a woman cheat. Because a woman cheat definitely for hurt a man's feelings.
I want to say woman. I know, you know, experience. A woman.
Oh, you're a woman named cheat for you?
No, one woman me have. I don't know if she cheat, but then, yeah, that usually go on.
Cheats more, man or woman?
Who cheats more?
Yeah.
Women are notorious liars.
Why?
Why? Because you don't know, say, yo, woman pretty and have the lust thing, you know, brother. You see me?
Well, and say that again. What you say?
I say, woman pretty and have the captivating thing, they're lust in, so you know, so then touch the street man want them, you see me?
I would say men. For true, men.
Why?
Because, I don't know, I guess men like the temporary company, like they'll go with any woman they want, like night to night, you know what I mean? Like.
Well, it all depends still, you know, it's some of that. You know, it's a vice versa thing still, it's some of that. You know, sometimes, you know, both man cheat and both woman cheat and thing. It's some of that, say. It's a vice versa thing still.
Who cheats more, men or women?
Men cheat more, but women cheat better.
You are telling the truth.
Man cheat more.
Alright, why you think man cheat more?
Because man will tell you say them gonna work out when they done it in a woman bed.
Man.
Cheat power.
Who give on more? Who cheats more?
Oh, you mean
man?
loving?
Yeah. Who cheats more, man or woman?
I want to tell you, say, two of them do the same thing. You understand?
What make you say?
It's a game them play with them one another.
Woman don't want only for money, man, so they want two man, one on the right and one on the left. Nothing wrong with that, what they want to do.
You know what I mean? Like, it'll be like tonight they'll be with this girl, or they'll have their wife at home and then have another girl. Yeah, they just mind every. They want to mind every girl.
Once they see a bad bitch, they just want pussy. That's it.
Who cheats more, man or woman?
Man, of course.
Alright, why you give me the reason why you think man cheats more?
They are slippery. They're like fox.
They put up on that spot. Who cheats more? Yeah, you hear me? Honest in my honest opinion. I can't talk for a woman them, because I'm no woman. But then go on with them, you see me? But man go on with them, good about who cheat more, woman can cover it up better. Woman can cover up them things better, but man get nervous with them two women are about one plate all them could you see me? But a girl know for angry situation. Side man have to know him what I do. But for man them, side girl pop up if you get nervous and don't know how to move, you see me? So everybody cheat, you know. Everybody cheat, but I will get catch.
Man cheat, but them not gonna just get up and cheat just like that, being honest.
What do you think is the reason why woman cheat?
Because the man them cheat to and tell what he lie to.
No, I believe that women are pathologically mendacious. They are liars and they go around and tell lies and use other people, boy.
Who cheats more, man or woman?
Woman.
Why?
Cause them ever want to.
Boy, if you don't get... Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching the first episode of the Rated Questions. And today we're in half a tree, the vibes they turn up. You get a message to keep up with the episode though. Like, share, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell below and keep up. You see me? Follow me on Instagram to know Buhn_reactions. You see me? And guess what? I'm out.